Good evening, welcome to Al-Ain. We are about to check out the Mubazzara historical dam. Follow me.
The Mubazzara Dam is located at the foothills of Jabal Hafit in Al-Ain.
There it is. That's the dam.
The dam is one of Abu Dhabi's earliest structures, built in 1955 on the orders of the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahayan to harness water flowing off Jabal Hafit during the rainy season. The dam is not easily accessible as it is surrounded by rugged terrain.
Just as we make our way into the dam, take a look at this. Here, this part of the mountain shows signs of water erosion, almost like as if this was underwater or something. And take a look at this. This looks like the fossils of some ancient corals. You can just imagine water like right up to the borderline here, just flowing, and then it makes its way down over here, down to a small stream over there, going all the way down.
The dam was restored in 2004 by a team of experts from the Department of Antiquities and Tourism in Al-Ain.